Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator for Facebook. Simply just launch your Facebook application, move in the right bottom corner option menu. Again just tap on it and just get in the settings and privacy. And here you will see the Meta account center, just get in and just finding the password and security features. After here you will see the second option is two-factor authentication. Simply just tap on it, select your account and you will just enter your password simply. After you just get in, and here is the option is add a backup method. So simply just recommended for the authentication app, simply just tap on it as well. So after here you will just copy the key right over here and move back and simply just download this application authenticator of Google from the App Store or the Google Play Store and open it and simply just tap on the plus icon which is right bottom, enter a setup key and simply just tap paste this key and name of the top of Facebook simply as well and just add it. And here you will see, so what we're gonna do, you will be just logged out your Facebook account and after again you will logged in and it will be just ask Facebook 6-digit code. Simply just copy it and paste it here in the Facebook and it will be just logged in this way. You will just set up a Google Authenticator for Facebook. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.